Hello student, our today's topic is basic behavioral modeling, which is included in object oriented software engineering in TYBSc Computer Science. In this today we will concentrate on use case diagram. I, Sheetal Shivaram Jagtap, assistant professor in Kekewa Graduate College. In today's topic, we will see how use cases are generated, include and extend keywords are used in a use cases, what is meant by actors, modeling behavior of an element, how use cases are collaborated, context of the system, requirement of the system, and how testing is done in use cases. Okay, use cases means it represents a functional requirement on a system, in which it's a description of a set of sequence of action that a system performs to yield an observable result of the value to an actor. In object-oriented software engineering, Jacobson in 1992 have narrated a document that describes the sequence of an event of an actor using a system to complete a process, in which it promotes the communication among end user, domain expert, architect, developer, information modular, in which achieve a tangible amount of work which provide a starting point for the test cases. Here, process loan is nothing but the use cases, the symbol of the use cases. This symbol is used for the actor. Okay, and the name of the use case is here process loan, in which it will coherent the set of roles that user assume when an interacting with the system, whereas there is a human or automated system. It represents an individual interacting with the system in a specific way, in which a connected to use case with the association. Usually, it describes an informal text or a formal structured text, utilized in interaction diagram, commonly system sequence diagram. Here, we see the use cases and collaboration, in which collaboration a society or class and the other element that works together to implement the behavior of a use cases, realization of a use cases, place order and order management. These both are the use cases, whereas there is a realization or generalization, the symbol considered as a generalization. Organizing use cases, which uses packages, generalization, extends, or includes. Child inherits the behavior and meaning from the parents is nothing but the generalization. Child may be substituted any place for a parent, rendered same as a class generalization. In this example, we see the scenario of use cases. Here, placeholder, place plus rush order, track order, validate user, check password, rental scan, these all are nothing but the use cases, valid user. Okay, in that there is a stereotype used for extends, include. These two are used for the extends and includes. This symbol is nothing but the generalization. In this, track order is nothing but the main flow of control. Obtain and verify the order number, which include validate user. For each part in the order, query its status, then report back to the user. Place order are nothing but the main flow of control, which include validate user. It will collect the user's order item, which will set the priority and submit the order for the processing. Modeling the behavior of an element consists of system as a whole, subsystem, and all the individual classes. The important reasons are allow the domain expert to specify external view to a sufficient details for developers to continue. It will also provide a means for developers to approach and understand an elements and also basic testing is done. Use case diagram. That diagram shows a set of use cases and actors and their relationship. It also used to visualize the behavior of a system. It will always comprehend the interaction with the system. We will see one example related to use cases. This is the phone call, place conferencing call, resume phone call, receive additional call, and use scheduler. These all are the use cases in which place conference call extends from the phone call. Receive additional calls extends from the phone call, receive phone call. And these all are interact with the cellular network. This is called as an actor. And this is nothing but the boundary of the use case, in which the use case diagram contains use case, actor, relationships like dependency, generalization, association, as well as nodes and constraints. Common uses of use cases are identifying the system border. It also defining what actually the inside the system and outside the system. It also define the model requirement of a system, in which what actually system should do and how the system will work. One more example is given here, that there is a credit card validation system. Actually, how the flow is executing in the system that perform the card transaction, then processing the bill, reconciling the transaction, manage the customer account. These all are included in use cases. These are nothing but the boundaries, and these are the actors involved in these use cases. Modeling system requirements includes establishment the system context, considering the behavior that each actor expects from the system, common name behavior for the use cases, as well as common behavior like extension, inclusion, as well as generalization. There should be a model actors like use cases, relationship for the use case diagram. These all are included in use cases. Modeling system test cases. For each use case, identify its flow of event as well as obtain the initial state for conditioning or post-condition. Then it will build the necessary test drivers to simulate the scenario using the test scripts. It also regrets the test using the tests. So, today we have seen the definition of use cases, some examples on use cases, as well as the common use and contents in the use cases. Hope you understand today's topic.